Z. Come along and sing with me. D is for dog, D, D, dog. D is for drum, D, D, drum. E is for elephant, E, E, elephant. E is for egg, E, E, egg. F is for fish, F, F, fish. F is for frog, F, F, frog. Let's sing the alphabet A to Z. Come along and sing with me. G is for goat, G, G, goat. G is for grapes, G, G, grapes. H is for hat, H, H, hat. H is for house, H, hatch, house. I is for ice cream, I, ice cream. I is for insect, I, insect. Let's sing the alphabet A to Z. Come along and sing with me. J is for juice, J, J, juice. J is for jam, J, J, jam. K is for kite, K, K, kite. K is for kangaroo, K, K, kangaroo. L is for lion, L, a lion. L is for lamp, L, a lamp. Let's sing the alphabet A to Z. Come along and sing with me. M is for monkey, M, monkey. M is for moon, M, moon. N is for nest, N, nest. N is for nut, N, nut. O is for octopus, O, octopus. O is for orange, O, orange. Let's sing the alphabet A to Z. Come along and sing with me. P is for pig, P, P, pig. P is for pen, P, P, pen. Q is for queen, Q, Q, queen. Q is for quail, Q, Q, quail. R is for rabbit, R, rabbit. R is for rainbow, R, rainbow. Let's sing the alphabet A to Z. Come along and sing with me. S is for sun, S, sun. S is for snake, S, snake. T is for tiger, T, T, tiger. T is for tree, T, T, tree. U is for umbrella, U, umbrella. U is for uniform, U, uniform. Let's sing the alphabet A to Z. Come along and sing with me. V is for violin, V, violin. V is for volcano, V, volcano. W is for whale, W, whale. W is for watch, W, watch. X is for xylophone, X, xylophone. X is for Xmas tree, X, Xmas tree. Let's sing the alphabet A to Z. Come along and sing with me. Y is for yak, Y, yak. Y is for yellow, Y, yellow. Z is for zebra, Z, zebra. Z is for zoo, Z, zoo.
A is for apple, a sweet red fruit. D is for bicycle, a vehicle with two wheels. C is for cake, a sweet soft dessert. D is for doll, a toy that looks like a girl or baby. E is for elephant, a big animal with a trunk. F is for fin, a fish is swimming pond. J is for guitar, a musical instrument. Which is for house, a place where we live. I is for iguana, a large green lizard. J is for jump, to lift off the ground. K is for kite, a paper toy that flies in the sky. I is for lion, the king of the jungle. L is for milk, a white drink vice. N is for ninja, a fast skilled fighter. O is for octopus, a sea animal with 8 arms. M is for pumpkin, a big round vegetable. Q is for queen, a woman who rules a country. S is for rabbit, a small animal with long ears. S is for sun, the bright star that gives us light. T is for turtle, a small animal with a hard shell. summer fruit. X is for X-ray, a photo of bones inside the body. S for yo-yo, a yum chair that goes up and down. Z is for zebra, a black and white striped animal.